Gold and silver have bounced back and are starting to bounce back from a quick sell-off after the CPI numbers were released around 8:30 today. And obviously, the inflation numbers are pretty wild to look at. If you take a look at the report here from the BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, you will see that we actually increased from a 0.6% of consumer price index in May to 0.9% in June. And let me scroll down to this graph so you can get a better visual of that. This is what we're looking at, those blue bars in that graph there. So we have a strong increase there. Much of it is still due to vehicles, and I will say none of it, or I shouldn't say none of it, but I should say a very small percentage of it is due to shelter. Now remember, yesterday and a couple of videos ago, I've been talking a lot about OER and shelter's large dominance of the CPI, and it's barely making an uptick, which to me spells danger for the future as we start to see, or as we will begin to see, some of these uh, transitory inflation readings start to wane, but we will start to see the OER and shelter begin to rise, as many other analysts have been noting. Even a government agency such as Fannie Mae has also been noting will be a issue for us to deal with in the future. Shelter will be. And this is just something that I believe gold is starting to recognize today. Silver is also, trying to make a comeback a bit, but what we're starting to see here is the acceptance that inflation may be an issue that we're going to have to deal with. Yes, in the last two CPI readings, there had been some transitory factors there, but we have yet to see those longer run factors that we should expect to see in upcoming CPI reports. So gold is holding out pretty strong. Silver is holding out pretty strong around the $26 level. I did say over the weekend that I expect gold to maybe perform a little bit better than silver in my forecast, and so far it's looking to be that way. But guys, let me know what you think about this CPI report in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for gold and silver today.com.